My question was that why is it severely enforced for women to wear hijabs, especially in Muslim countries like Saudi Arabia?
That's a wrong perception of law which they have in their minds. Otherwise, there is no such injunction in the Quran or in the Sunnah of the Prophet. Women are free to choose their own dress, their own apparel. It's absolutely, against what the Quran says. It's not only in Iran; it's also in Afghanistan and some other countries in which women, if they don't wear hijab, and by the way, not only women, it's also the case with men that if they don't keep beards, this is the case in Afghanistan that they are at, then they are, they are subject to the law, which is not correct. So our understanding of religion is that it cannot interfere in the personal lives of people regarding any punishment. Yes, if they create a law and order situation, yes, if they are a threat to the life, wealth, and honor of people, then the state can interfere. But the Quran has not given this mandate to the state to dictate people what they should wear or not wear. So if Saudi Arabia maybe or Iran or Afghanistan, they are doing this, then they are doing this, according to their understanding of religion, which to us or to me, in my understanding, is not correct. So you are free to choose your own dress, as long as it is decent, of course.